Thanks. This is just a short video as an add-on to my previous React hooks video to show how I integrated the application with Android. In the previous video, I just showed it with iOS. So all I'm doing is opening up the existing project. We are going to have to rebuild this thing. Multiple steps. First, we need to rebuild it. Then we need to add Android to it. Then we need to sync it to Android, open up an Android Studio and run it. So first here you see we're running the Ionic build, which will package everything up for a regular web deployment. Now that's completed. So it looks like our next step now should be to sync it over to Android. Okay. Now the next step is to open Android. I have not added Android to the package. So now I'll do the npx cap add Android, which would add Android to the project. That'll install all the Android dependencies. And now that it's done, just follow the instructions that are provided, the npx cap open Android, which will launch Android Studio, and we'll run the Gradle build there and launch the project. Okay, Android Studio is launching up now. Make sure you have a emulator set up. If not, you're going to need to set up an emulator to get this to run appropriately. Or if you have your device plugged in, you should be good to go. So we're going to use an emulator for this example. So Android takes a while sometimes to load up. Okay, we got Android running. I cut a little bit of that out to kind of get to the meat of this. So here we're going to relaunch our emulator. I'm using a Pixel emulator. The Gradle sync has happened automatically. Now we'll fire this thing up and run. Please make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Also leave comments below on what you might find more interesting and other things that I could do videos about for you here. I'm sticking with the React, Ionic, Vue, Angular, so please make recommendations about those type of videos. For those of you who work with Android, you know sometimes this first Gradle build takes a while. Alright, it's all set now. The application is launched. We see our Capacitor logo there, so we know things are fine. Okay. Now we have the same app we had for the React version. We open it up, we can pick some photos, select the photo, and the React hook gives us back the information on the photo that was selected. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, this was just to confirm for the Android users that everything we wrote before with React will work perfectly with iOS and Android. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and stick around for the next one. Thanks. Bye now.